So let me show you how to do descriptive statistics in Microsoft Excel. Before you do your descriptive statistics, make sure that in your data tab, you have the data analysis, okay? So once you click on, I'll do it one more time. Once you click on data analysis, ensure you are selecting descriptive statistics and click OK. And make sure anything in this area or these cells, delete it and ensure you start from input range and make sure your data set is selected. In this case, it is from D3 to all the way D42. After that, make sure your output range radio button is switched on. Click here and basically it's asking where would you like to see your descriptive stats, and I would like to see it in M3. Ensure the third thing, summary stats, is ticked. If it's not ticked, make sure it's ticked. So I will repeat, make sure you select your data, make sure the radio button is on, make sure you select a cell in the Excel sheet somewhere where you like to see the summary stats, and ensure the summary stats is ticked. And as soon as you hit OK, you should get your data set, and your data set is right here. So this is how to get summary stats without writing, without going through lots of formulas for mean, median, mode. You can get your summary stats or descriptive stats with a click of a button with the help of Microsoft Excel data analysis. Thank you.